In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Profoto D2 lights in the studio. So I booked this kit from the Media Loan shop. They come with two heads. These are 500 watts. We've also got 1000 watts, but they both work in the same way. You've got two heads and two power leads. If I take the protective cover off the front of the flash, undo this knob at the side, and pull out this bracket here, and that's where our light stand is going to fit. I'll take one of the lights, fit it on top of the silver C stand like this. Make sure it's fully down on top of the stand, tighten this up, and then if you loosen this knob off, you can tilt the light up and down like that. And take a power lead and plug it into the back of the light, underneath like that. Then I can switch the power on. When we look at the back of the flash head here, we've got 4 buttons plus this rotating selector. So to switch the light on, we press the on button and you get the display appear on the back of the screen there. If we press the model button, that will switch the modeling light on so we can see what we're doing. If we press the white button there, that will test fire the flash for us. The menu settings I'll go through. If we press the settings button here, we've got 5 different options, and you navigate around them by rotating this rubber knob here. So the first one, model, we want to leave it on prop. If you want to change any of these settings, if you press the rubber button in and rotate it while you're pressing it, you can switch the modeling light on to maximum, for example, or you can control it independently. I'd leave it on prop. Go over to ready. It's set to beep at the minute. Every time I change anything on this light, it will bleep to acknowledge that. If you find that annoying, you can switch it off. And you've got a couple of options as well. I'd leave it on beep if I were you. Mode, we want to leave on normal. Sync, short for synchronization. We've got 3 options there. Air, slave, and off. Leave it on air. This means that it will communicate with the camera using the radio trigger, which I'll show you in a separate video. Finally, the large box down the bottom, there's 2 settings in there. There's channel and there's group. Channel is the radio frequency that we're using. It doesn't matter too much what it's set to, as long as all our equipment is set to the same channel. I'll leave it on channel 1. Group, if I press in now, we've got 6 different settings there, A to F, and we can assign these different lights different letters. So if we're using 3 lights, we could have A, B, and C, and if we set each one, remember those letters, we can control the 3 lights separately to each other. Most of the time you'll be wanting to use a light modifier on these lights. So if you want to fit one of these, first thing is to switch the light off. Then this rubber ring fits over the front barrel of the light, and there's a buckle here to tighten it up so it won't fall off.